Right, day 57. This was actually quite a good day. I was quite pleased with today. Um, this, I don't really know why I got into this trade. It realistically could have gone either way, this one. The EMAs were very tight. Um, Not a trade that we should have taken. Thankfully, it worked. Well, I say it worked. As soon as I got out of the trade, I regretted getting in, so I got out as soon as possible. So it was a very small profit. I'm not entirely sure which direction the trade continued in after that, to be honest. I think it probably just chopped around a little bit more. The market's not actually open just yet either. I don't really remember taking this one. I don't really know why I got into it so before the market opened, but yeah, anyway, there you go. This was a bit of a better one. It was a very, very, very quick one, this one. Really pushing after the market had opened. Didn't really get a chance to move my... Right, so with this one, we've had a big move up, starting to see consolidation. EMAs are tightening up like an nun's chuff, so yeah, it kind of makes sense that we were stopped out here. I think moving forward for us, for the rest of the day, we did sort of bear in mind, making sure that we weren't taking trades where the EMAs were really cramped up and moving in a sideways. We want momentum. We want to see that the price is actually moving. And I think that's something that we have neglected to, again, just rushing in, taking trades when we probably shouldn't. You're more likely to get chopped out of trades, when it's just consolidating like this, so yeah, definitely something that we thought about a lot more today after this trade. Yeah, kind of had a little bit of an epiphany, and yeah, it worked a lot better for the rest of the day. To be fair, so can't complain. Yeah, again, this was a nice trade, very quick one. We're breaking out. EMAs, see we were tight, and then we've started to really expand down. So yeah, quite happy with that one. This one, again, we've got that consolidation. EMAs are starting to open up a little bit. Yeah, again, still quite a choppy range. We're just sort of breaking out of the top of that range. So we've got a little bit of equal highs there, some equal lows at the bottom. We're now just breaking out of it. So yeah, I was quite happy with this one as well. You can't argue. Yeah, so this was probably like a minute after the last trade, to be fair. Really happy with this one. Nice one. Clear uptrend. EMAs are showing you clear momentum. Not only are they clearly pointing to the sky, but they're also moving away from one another as well. The 10 EMA is really ripping away from the 50 EMA. And we are definitely guilty of taking trades where that's just not happening. And the other thing that I would say as well that I need to think about is, making sure that there's confluence across time frames, especially like the 10-second time frame and the 1 minute time frame. Because obviously we are scalping, shall we say. So the 5 minute time frame, I'm not that asked about, I suppose, maybe. I don't know. But we definitely looked a lot more at the 5 minute and 1 minute, in particular the 1 minute time frame today when we were taking trades. Yeah, could have entry wasn't amazing on that. Could have got in a lot sooner actually there. So we got a little bit of a bull flag, and we broke it. Yeah, I think obviously, I think because as well it's a 10-second time chart. Sometimes the candles do just pump away, and it's like whoa. But yeah, it just is what it is. Yeah, yeah. Happy with today. I think yeah, we moved our stop quite nicely with this as well, so it was good. Yeah, happy with today. Feel confident. Yeah, I think we didn't take many trades. I think we took 6. So that's a vast improvement on the 20 that we normally take. So yeah, it was good. To be fair, it was a good day.